So we're here in the Bosque, and here's one of the ponds. And by I mean, like by we, I mean me and her, my grandma. And yeah, this is the Bosque trail up there. I'm gonna go keep walking up the path. Okay. He's eating mulberries. And just the pond. And whoever else is here. What? I know.
What a difference. Oh, there's two mallards and one of those little coots way down there. They're way down there.
Oh. Coot. Is that even like the real name for it? So.
Miss John wanted Jennifer and I to bring 6 kids here.
6? Whoa.
Yeah, a classroom of 6. Just like with the sub. If she wasn't going to be there, I'm going, I refuse to go.
Yeah. Sorry if this video cuts off, but
Half the class maybe.
yeah.
Not the whole class.
She teaches special needs kids. That's why she only has, what, 6, 7?
Oh, there's a turtle. Come here. See the log right there?
Yep. I see it.
There's a little turtle on
I see it on the camera too.
I think there's a baby one further down at the very end in the water, kind of. You have to get over here to see it.
So anyway, bye.